So this is the inspo we're going to be using for today. I've done similar nails to this before, and if you are new here, my name is Anisa, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I will link to be linked to down below in the description, and I will also have timestamps so you can skip to when you would like. I will be removing her previous set, which is also a previous video of mine, just a very simple refill. And I'm also going to be refilling this today, but I'm going to go ahead and remove her gel polish and any lifting that may or may not be there. And after this, I will go in with a sanding band to remove her shine, and I will also be doing some cuticle prep on her as well. I use the ceramic drill bit in forward and reverse, forward first and then reverse. Then I like to go in with the sanding band to remove the shine and blend in any acrylic that is left with the nail. And then I will go in with my dehydrator and my primer. To do 2 coats of primer, and I like to wait 30 seconds in between each, and then go in with a nice thin clear base layer to lock everything all in. And I accidentally recorded in 4K again. My camera just likes to save at 4K, even though I changed it in like the settings for it to be a regular like FPS like 30 or 60 or something like that, but it is in 4K again. Sorry about that. But if you have the ability to watch it in 4K, now you can watch this video in 4K. And I will also have some final look photos at the end and some videos in low light and everything like that, so stay tuned. This is Chai by GZL Beauty, and this is her previous set color as well. She's been loving this color, and she's gotten it the last 3 or 4 times, which is very good for me. After everything is dry, I go ahead and use my 818 hand file, and I go ahead and make sure there's no acrylic stuck to the sides. Then I go over the surface to make sure everything is nice and even, and to flatten everything out, as well as round her corners out, like just on the sides of the nail. And then I'll go in and make sure her nail is nice and straight. And then after this, I'll go in with my Kiara Sky fine drill bit, then my pink sponge buffer. After I'm done buffing, I like to go ahead and dust off the nails and wipe it down with some alcohol. Then I like to go in with some top coat, especially for this set because I will be doing a little bit of nail art. This is Beetle's top coat, and I do cure it for a full 120 seconds just to make sure everything is cured. And I like to use it to protect the nude acrylic because sometimes it can just sink into those fine lines when you really don't want it to. And like I said, this is like a 90s design. My mom used to get this all the time, and one of the first nail sets she ever made me do for her was literally this. So I'm pretty sure you can find it on my channel. If you like look for it, you're gonna see something similar to this, not these same exact colors, but like especially with the black and white lines, you'll definitely find it on there, because I remember doing it for her. And also, do not touch the acrylic or the gel with your hands. I keep doing it for whatever reason, but make sure you wash your hands after you do these nails anyways. But now I'm going in with the pink, and I will list all the colors down below in the description. And this is a black, and it's technically Creations black, and I'm using a liner brush from the little 3-piece set that I keep talking to y'all about. And the video did cut out for whatever reason. I have no clue why. I didn't get a notification, I didn't get anything, and it cut out when I did the purple and the rest of the yellow. But as far as the black, I'm just outlining the blue and the pink. I decided to do one side first, so like this black on the blue, I decided to do it first, then cure it for a full 60 seconds, then do the black on the pink side, and then go in with like the white, and then go in with the purple, well technically the yellow, then the purple, and then there was a red but I couldn't find mine, so we went ahead and used an orange, and that orange was from the Melody Susie summer kit that I showed you guys. And I just kept messing this white line up. It just wasn't thin enough for my liking, and it wasn't like flowy enough, if that makes any sense. And y'all, why is she talking about she wants me to do some butterfly nails next for her, and I do not know how to draw? So we'll see if that ends up coming into fruition. But right now I was doing the yellow, and now I'm on the orange. After this is done, it's going to be time for top coats. This is a very quick, very fast set, and it didn't even take 2 hours. It was like an hour and technically 40 minutes or 35 minutes more like. And then I used the same rubber top coat I've been using, and I cured that for a full 120 seconds. So after making sure all the excess polish is up, I go ahead and cure it for a full 120 seconds. And then I go in with my Blossom Cuticle Oil in the scent Hibiscus. I've had this one for a very long time, and it still smells great. And I really like it for using it on camera because it doesn't look very like shiny and greasy, but it just looks very hydrated. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have a link to will be linked to down below in the description. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.